Hi everyone, welcome back to Blog in Good Food. I am Hannah, and today we are making a comforting dish, homemade Alfredo sauce. This recipe is simple and tasty, with just a few ingredients to make a creamy, rich sauce you will love. First, let's talk about the ingredients. You will need Parmesan cheese, freshly grated for the best taste, garlic, it adds great flavor, heavy cream makes the sauce rich and creamy, butter makes the sauce smooth and helps mix everything together, salt and pepper, for taste, of course, that's all. Now, the steps. Step 1. Grate your Parmesan cheese. Freshly grated cheese melts better and tastes better, but pre-shredded is okay if needed. Step 2. Prepare your garlic, mince or crush it to release the most flavor. Step 3. Cook your favorite pasta according to the package instructions. Fettuccine, tagliatelle, or pappardelle are great with this sauce, but any kind of pasta will work. Step 4. In a saucepan over low heat, melt the butter. Don't let it brown, we want a white sauce. Step 5. Add the garlic and cook gently for a few minutes to let the flavors mix with the butter. Step 6. Slowly whisk in the heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer, not a boil. Step 7. Gradually add the Parmesan cheese, whisking constantly until it melts and the sauce thickens. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 8. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Taste it as you go. Step 9. Once the sauce coats the back of a spoon and leaves a line when you draw your finger through it, it's ready. That's it. You've made a delicious, homemade Alfredo sauce in less than 30 minutes. For an extra kick, add a pinch of white pepper. Add some cooked chicken, shrimp, broccoli, or your favorite vegetables. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes.